This is Madhurika, and today I'm going to talk about the whole language learning process and which are the internationally recognized institute, the exams, and the certification that is required if you want to build a career in foreign languages, and what exactly is the whole process and how you should go about it. So, just like any other courses, even in language learning, you have a specific stages or levels that you need to complete to get a certificate or a diploma. Specifically in the European languages, there are these three levels, that is beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. So in beginner level, there is A1 and A2. In intermediate, there is B1, B2, and advanced, there is C1 and C2. So when you complete the C2 level, that is when it is considered that you have the complete knowledge of that particular language. It's like you have done a master's, and to make it easy, it's like you are a pro in that language. You can also opt for translation studies, become an interpreter if you have completed till C2. So that is the ultimate most level in any European language. So these were all the levels, and it is classified into beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And for each level, there is an international exam conducted by the official government of that country. For example, if you're learning French and you need to give the international exam that is conducted by the French government, and only that and only that certificate is valid throughout the world, and that is officially recognized. So there are these specific institute, or you can say embassy, which are based all around the world in most of the countries and cities, where you can go register and give exams. For example, for French there is Alliance Francaise, Institut Francais, and there are different for German and Spanish. I would put the links and the details of this international exams and these institute description down below of these three languages. So now that we know the whole language learning process and the institutes, I would like to clear out misconceptions that we have in language learning, especially foreign languages. Yes, it is not necessary to start from A1 and only then you can appear for A2 or B1 level. So for example, you have already learned in your junior college or in your school, and you already have the basic knowledge of the particular language, you can skip the A1 level and go to A2 level to give the exam, just in case if you don't want to appear for A1 exam and you can't find the dates, because these exams are conducted mostly after every 3 months, and in some cities it's only after every 6 months. So if you don't get the date of A1 level but you already know the level and you're pretty confident to appear for A2 beginners level, you can go for it. So the next misconception is you need to study from this specific institute to appear for the international exams. So you don't need to study from this specific institutes. You can study from anywhere. You can sit and learn from your home. You can learn online. You can learn from your relative. You can learn from your friend and learn basically from anywhere and then appear for international exam. There is no rule, there is no criteria that you need to study from this classes or you need to study from this specific institute or the specific classes and then appear for international exams. Anyone studying from anywhere can appear for this international exam. The third point I would like to highlight is when you have already started studying but you took a gap of 1 or 2 years and you don't really know where you stand and on which level you are, but you have been practicing it and you want to take it further, but you don't really know that which level you need to start or where exactly you stand in this language, then you can judge your level by this placement test and you get the immediate result, immediate certificate, or maybe after a day or two of which level you are in. So these placement tests are only to gauge the level of where you are. As for the people who have been studying it throughout the years but you don't know where exactly, if you're an intermediate or you're advanced, then you can appear for this exams and you get the immediate result of where exactly you stand and go further about it. And lastly, I want to talk about the most important part is people find it usually expensive when you're learning a language. And yes, it is expensive. It's not very affordable like the simple certified courses, And because there's a very few people who give these exams and have this certificate, there's a very huge demand out there for the people who know languages in any company, in any business. And apart from the huge demand and the career advantages it has, it is also for the self development. To learn a language, you don't really learn the grammar or how you speak, but you also learn so much about the culture, so much how the people from the different country are living, their lifestyle. You can change your complete perspective if you for learning any foreign language. It's for your own self development and your own growth as a person. Basically, it helps you throughout the life. Languages is never outdated. It's fun even if you're a 4-year old, and it's also fun if you're a 60-year old. There is no such kind of age restriction when you want to start off with learning languages or discover the world of this language. And I hope that you guys got a little bit understanding with the whole language learning process and the stages you need to clear. And if you want to build up your career with foreign languages and start learning languages, then we have courses online, courses which are very affordable than physically going to any classes. And of course, because of the current situation in the whole world right now, online is the best thing you can do to learn languages sitting at your home, at the comfort of your home, with professional teachers and individual lectures. And we also provide a complete guidance on this international exam. So reach out to us on Instagram or email and start your language learning process and invest in your self development. See you soon. Bye.